Wow, it's raining here again today. Look at our skies. See the rain up there? Princess Ariel said, "You just wait and see. Someday I'll be part of your world." Well, last year I started telling the angel stars and princesses on TV, or not on TV, on Twitter and Facebook, that my garden really likes the rain more than being hand watered. We've been getting a lot of rain here. Do you think that's their inspiration, or do you think it's just nature? I happen to think it's their inspiration, why it's raining more here, and I said that they love it. They're really nice people. The garden's still the same. We're not adding more. We're just kind of watching here what's coming out new and what's going on with that. Keeping an eye on these banana plants, man. Sort of a general about them. I really want them bad. I like those banana plants that I planted here. 2 of them are gone. I don't know where they went. Yeah. There you go. This banana plant's got to grow, man. I love those banana trees here. See, we get new little things here. Just enjoying the rain. Looking at this wildflower mix, I'm really impressed with this, how this is going. You know, I get ideas to just, when something like this happens, just go with the whole wildflower mix, but it never happens. I always add new things, like new vegetables and fruit anyway, like the peach tree here I added. That's another one. When I plant new things like that in the banana plant, really keep an eye on them. I can feel my energy just going, come on, stay, grow, grow, grow. What a great idea. Like I said, from here on out, it's going to come from the inspiration and what's ever in there. I'm not going to be planting too much new stuff. I will show you if I do. Where is the banana plants? Wouldn't that be cool? See the pictures of them. So I keep an eye on those. And I'm really impressed with this wildflower mix that's growing around here around the Concord grapes. And I'm really impressed. Oh, there's an airplane. I can never videotape these. I promised him I would. So I'm pretty impressed with how it's going. Like I said, I think the rain we've been getting has to do with them receiving my message about wanting a Disney Princess Angel Star garden here. Some people don't believe in that sort of stuff. They think it's the plates of the earth or something. For Jesus Christ. Have a wonderful week. May it be filled with very, good things happening to you, and happiness and joy and much health. So thank you, Tinkerbell, and all your friends for the rain we've had. The basil loves it. Be good. Be happy. Tell everyone I love them. Have fun, Minnie. Glad you're here. More hugs on the way. These flower baskets, they're amazing. There's Minnie. She decided to sit in the flower basket. Oops. There's a hydrangea. I saw one of the stars hydrangeas, and I sent her a picture and said, wow, look at this one. This is the young one. And they're staying. They're growing. I think that has to do with their inspiration, too. Well, whose ever side you're on, be good. Be happy. Enjoy your garden. Fill it with your dreams and with your happiness. See ya.